sitting on the floor. You can see for yourself and witness. What we want to try to do is try to, get resources for these children so that they can be more vibrant in the society. That's what we're working for. With the help of God, we believe that we can truly achieve that. We have some desks over there that
enter inside the class. Forget about it. Enter. Come.
Sit down.
See what I'm saying? Well, some of these children, it's unfair taking lecture while sitting on the floor. And when it rains, you can tell in the roofs. When it rains, there's actually water coming down from the roof. And it definitely affects the study skills. And we want to change that by the help of God.